So here it is. The cold start. 385,000 is what's been said that this truck has on it. 5-liter V8. Ready doll. Looks like it had its easy days of hauling. Those are some easy days of hauling, bud.
Find one with a box in that good a shape.
Find one in a box that good a shape.
Miles. Not around here.
Ah, it's got a little bow, bud. She's hauled.
Oh, then they're so. I got them. I know where they are then. If they weren't there, I know exactly where they are.
So it's 385,000 on this old puppy, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, friggin' right. It's got to get that right on the video.
Tyler? Yep. You're gonna rip that lock out. There's more. No. More money for you. Give it a push off though. But I guess. Yeah. The ignition never going.
Didn't find the right keys, bro.
No, I got the keys. There you go.
There it is. Yeah! Holy crap, you even got friggin' power locks. Oh my god, power windows, oh.
Wait, look.
Cool. Too bad this isn't power, right? Yeah! What a Ford, eh? That friggin' 5-liter just wants to rip some Camaros apart.
There you go. That's better.
Huh? It sounds like it's got a cam, eh? Dude, this truck's cammed, bro.
It's not. It does. It sounds like it is.
It idles low, eh? No, I swear, this thing looks like it's got a cam, bro. It goes under 500 RPMs and comes back up.
It's got a cam in it.
This thing's got a cam in it, man.
It doesn't. When I drove it, it did.
Weak fuel pump.
Probably a weak fuel pump.
No.
No, once they get